Hi folks, my name is Chris from Chris's Creations, and I'll basically be showing y'all how to change the color of a emissive texture if the color doesn't already exist for it. So, uh, you know, English is a very hard language. Anyhow, I'm going to be changing the blue in the side on it to a green, just so I can show y'all how to do that. So, yeah. So first of all, you need the texture. So I'm just going to be using these regular side on it textures, which are located right here. So I'm going to open these up in paint.net. You can do this in your preferred, paint editor. I personally prefer paint.net and whatnot, but it's up to you. So I know it's this texture right here. That is what this texture is here. So using a tool that allows you to select something here in paint.net, it's rectangle select. You'll basically select the outline of the emissive, copy it or Control C, create a new layer or whatever it is for your paint, your program, paste it, Control V, go back down to your background layer and cut it or get rid of the dancing ants. So now go back to the layer that has the emissive texture on it, and now paint.net, it already comes with this feature, but your paint program might not. So if you go up here to adjustments, go to black and white, press it, it changes it. It changes this to black and white, and as you can see, this is actually a little problem here that I missed. So just press Control Z. You can go back. You can actually turn this one off, turn that layer off so it's not visible. Select this little piece right here. Control C, Control V, and press Control X there. And turn it back on, and boom, everything's now there. Now go back up here, press black and white, it changes that to black and white. You can go here, turn the actual, background layer off, so you're just left with this black and white emissive texture. And now I want to make it green, so you can either just, go down to your color wheeler or wherever your colors are in your paint program. But I'm going to use the specific color hex for the green, which is right here. Oh no, wait, that's the wrong one. Which is right here. Now, when you're looking at color codes for GTA 5, you're going to see that they always say before it OXFF. That is always for GTA 5 to understand what the color is, to understand that it's a color. Everything after that is basically the actual color hex. So, if you're having trouble to figure out where the color hex is, always take that the first OXFF is never part of it. Just everything after that is a part of that color hex. So in my case, it is 00800000. If I said that enough times. And here in paint.net, you go out to more, hex, select that, Control V, and it switches it to green. Now you can basically just select this. Oh, I forgot to tell you, create a new layer, and basically just select over this. And just put in the new color, just use Paint Bucket tool. It's pretty much the fastest. And now here, you can go over the properties or whatever it is in your program. Blend mode, multiply, or overlay. I personally, those are basically the two you're going to experiment with. Sometimes multiply looks better, but sometimes overlay looks better. So it's really just up to you. I would never recommend doing it on normal and just doing this. Well, yeah, it might look good like that. It's gonna look a bit odd. So I personally like using overlay or multiply. Press OK. Turn this layer back on. Press Control Shift F, which merges all the layers together, if that is a feature for your paint program. And you can just Control S, which saves it like that. Go back to your ZModeler. Go up here to your texture browser. Find the paint texture. The emissive texture. Press replace. Go up here. Go to it's already here. Go to textures. Find the one. Do that. Open, and boom, it's been replaced. So hopefully this has helped out. If y'all have any questions, put them somewhere I can see them, and get those.